All right, guys. So today we're going to go through the complete setup on Nodepay. Now, this is how you are going to rack up as much points as possible for Nodepay and prepare you for the upcoming airdrop. You first of all, you can get the link to register in my bio. Make sure you follow my link. I would really appreciate the referral. So by clicking the link, it will take you straight to the registration sign up. Okay, so stay with me. This is a very easy process. It's not difficult at all, and you would not regret mining this project. Okay, so this is the total setup. You click your registrations, you put in your email, your username, password, and this is my referral code. Okay, then after that, you make sure you click I have agreed to terms and conditions. You wait for your I am not a robot to load up. Okay, wait and see load up. Okay, so we click the verify if you're human. It's a success. And with that, I think we should, okay. There you see, normally when it's correct, you see the registration button to light up blue. So I don't want to register another account again. So, but if you are following the process, it's pretty much straightforward. So once you do that, it should take you straight to your dashboard. Okay. So now you're on your dashboard. Here is where you begin to collect, you begin to make your money. Here is where you begin to get points that will qualify you for the airdrop, and also doing the other criteria that are necessary for you getting the airdrop. So the first criteria for you to get this airdrop is for you to, let me see, for you to link your wallet. All right, you need to make sure that you have connected your wallet. All right, so here is the wallet connection area in Earnings. So first of all, you need to verify your email, then connect your wallet, then confirm wallet address. All you just need to do is just to click them one after the other and it will guide you through. It's very straightforward, no problem. Don't worry yourself about that. So you can see season 2 is still calculating and we have already started season 3. So make sure you join up, follow, and you can get the link of this. You can get the link for NotePay on my bio. You make sure you join this airdrop and don't miss out. Then the next area is your medals. In the medals, you need to make sure you grab as much medal as possible, especially for this proof of humanhood. Make sure it's very simple. You just click it and it will take you it will take you through a three-step process to verify that you are human. So go through that. I was early badge. This is a Discord badge. I'm not really a Discord person, but with this NotePay project, I'll definitely start grinding on Discord. So here is another badge that I also got is a Heron browser supporter. All you just need to do is like here's the Heron browser. All you just need to do is to download the browser and just leave it open for at least a day or so. So after leaving it, just using it for at least a day, you will get this badge. So it's very easy. Here's the Heron browser down here. It's pinned down to my taskbar. Yeah, it's just a normal browser like your Chrome and the rest. So once you use it, it will definitely you will get the badge for the Heron browser. So these badges still count. They are part of the criteria that maximize your airdrop and your earnings, not just your points. They also give you um, airdrop points based on your badges. So don't miss out on that. So and lastly, you would also have to make sure that you claim your daily check-in. And daily check-in should be a a should be a normal thing for you guys now. I've lost my streak yesterday, so I'm starting afresh. So this is where you claim your daily treasure. Okay, mine is going to unlock in 13 hours. So make sure you come here. You see claim, you claim it, and you can also claim it on mobile. So try your best to get these claims and get complete these missions. You can leave the ones for referral, but make sure you connect your Discord, your X, verify your email, and follow Notepay on X. Join them on Discord, and just follow these knowledge quests. They are very easy quests. They are not hard questions, and you cannot fail them. They are just more like survey questions. So you cannot fail them. Just make sure you go through these questions and rack up these points. With all these missions, you can get over 1,000 points. Okay, you can get at least 10,000 points from completing these missions. So make sure you do not miss out on these missions. And also try your possible best to get referrals. Even if it's one referral, they also give airdrop points based on referrals. So here on your dashboard, here is where you check for your airdrop. How much have you been paid for the airdrop? So when you click it, it will display your season 0 and season 1 and season 2. So you see, I didn't grind on season 1 as much, but I was able to get even just 145 points. So with this, imagine NotePay listing at $1. Imagine how much I've already accumulated, and I've not even talked about my season 2 earnings. So you see why Deppin airdrops are so fantastic and amazing. You cannot compare them with Telegram mining. They are far more profitable for you. So yes, please do make sure to join up on NotePay and check out my other setups for Deppin projects like these that pay well. So you can follow the links and register for these airdrops. Don't miss out on Deppin airdrop, guys. And I'll catch you next time on my next video. Peace.